Hey there, future financial gurus. Welcome back to our channel where we're about to drop some golden nuggets of wisdom that'll have your wallets thanking us later. Whether you're currently riding the paycheck-to-paycheck roller coaster or just looking to finesse your finances a bit more, you've come to the right place. Good financial habits are key to living that stress-free life, ensuring you're not just scraping by, but actually thriving. Imagine having that extra cash to invest or watching your credit score soar high enough to unlock the best deals on loans and mortgages. Sounds good, right? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into the top 10 personal finance tips that'll set you on the path to becoming wealthier and wiser. And hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, now's the time. You won't want to miss out on the wealth of advice we have in store. Number 1. Mastering the budget. Mastering your budget is the first and most crucial step towards financial freedom. It's about having a clear picture of your income versus your expenses, ensuring you're not living beyond your means. A well-maintained budget acts as a roadmap, guiding you through your financial journey, helping you to allocate funds wisely and ensuring you have enough to save, invest, and enjoy life. Think of it as the foundation of your financial house, strong and reliable. Number 2. Thoughtful spending on big purchases. Before splashing out on big-ticket items, take a moment to consult your budget. This preemptive check ensures that indulgences won't compromise your essential spending. By planning and saving for these purchases, you not only safeguard your budget, but also enrich the value of the purchase itself, making it a reward rather than a regret. Number 3. Tracking the small stuff. Those little expenses can stealthily drain your wallet. By diligently tracking every coffee, snack, and impulse buy, you create a consciousness about your spending habits. This awareness allows you to identify areas of unnecessary expenditure, empowering you to cut back and redirect funds towards more meaningful financial goals. Number 4. Demolishing debt. Debt is a formidable barrier to financial well-being. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, as they are the most costly. Managing and eliminating debt frees up resources for investment and savings, and it lifts the psychological weight off your shoulders, paving the way for financial peace of mind. Number 5. Subscription savvy. In the age of subscriptions, it's easy to sign up for services and forget about them. Regularly review your subscriptions and memberships, canceling those you no longer use or need. This practice prevents wasteful spending and ensures that every dollar you spend adds value to your life. Number 6. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, designed to catch you during life's unexpected falls. By setting aside a portion of your income into this fund, you prepare for unforeseen expenses without disrupting your budget or dipping into savings designated for other purposes. It's not just prudent planning, it's essential for financial security. Number 7. Savings with a purpose. Simply saving money isn't enough. Aim to grow your wealth. Investing your savings in stocks, bonds, or real estate can yield returns far exceeding those of a standard savings account. Set clear savings goals and use these targets to motivate and guide your financial decisions, turning savings into a powerful tool for wealth creation. Number 8. Shop smart. Leverage technology to ensure you're always getting the best deal. Price comparison apps and websites can significantly reduce expenditure on both necessities and luxuries. This habit of shopping smart ensures that your hard-earned money stretches further, maximizing your purchasing power. Number 9. Embrace financial apps. The right technology can simplify financial management. Personal finance apps like Mint or YNLB offer a comprehensive overview of your finances, from tracking spending to setting budgets and goals. These tools demystify the complexities of personal finance, making it accessible and manageable for everyone. Number 10. Continuous learning. The landscape of personal finance is vast and ever-evolving. Commit to expanding your financial knowledge through courses, books, or online resources. This continuous learning enriches your understanding, enabling you to make informed decisions that bolster your financial well-being and pave the way to wealth. And there you have it, 10 actionable tips to take your personal finance game to the next level. Remember, improving your financial situation doesn't happen overnight. It's about making small, consistent changes and building up your financial discipline over time. Start with creating that budget, and before you know it, you'll be navigating your finances like a pro, enjoying fewer money worries and more financial wins. So, what's stopping you? Dive in, start making those smarter money moves, and watch as your financial landscape transforms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content to guide you on your journey to financial excellence. Here's to mastering your money and living your best life.